Alrighty. Hello everybody, welcome back to the Wade and She Show. I'm Wade here today, bringing you some stress-free Mondays with some Fable 2, with the Fable series. I am doing this on the Sunday before. I'm literally busted, I'm literally doing 4 videos in one day. So you guys should be proud of me, since I haven't done videos in literally like, I think like a month or two, I don't remember. But today we are doing the side quest here called Love Hurts. The lonely gravekeeper in Bowerstone Cemetery is conducting a strange experiment. Okay. So, let's go and see what's going on here. And of course, we haven't discovered it yet. But we know where it's located at. Bowerstone Cemetery. Is it Graveyard or Old Town Road? Gonna take my horse to the Old Town Road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. That song is pretty old now, isn't that crazy? I remember when that song used to be like so hip and popular, everybody was singing it and praising it. Now it's like old as dirt. It's amazing what happens. Ugh. Alright. Now I need to figure out where... Where is this located at? Is it that way? I guess it is this way. Is this back into town? There's a demon door. Oh no, it's back this way, I guess. Oh, there is a house up here. Actually, no, there's a big old house up here. Oh, there's a dig spot. Where is it? Java juice. Cool. Alright, let's go inside. It's bright outside. Graveyard Mansion. Can I get in here? What time is it?
I'm not in. Well, I'm in, but I'm busy. Doing absolutely nothing abnormal.
Liar. Open up.
Still there? Go away. Yeah. How would you like to assist in this century's most important
body parts? What?
That's very important stuff. All you have to do is collect a few precious bits of gold. Oh, good. Good. Your first scientific expedition is to Rookridge. There should be a fine body part hidden away in a cave there. Good luck.
What? I gotta go all the way to Rookridge? Are you kidding me? For a body part? And I must have already been to this cave, because this is the Hob Cave. There are freaking gnats flying in my face, dude. Like, what the heck? I'm literally helping a grave robber raid. Like, seriously? Alright, where's this dig spot, doggy? Oh, crap. Will you knock it off? Wait a minute, didn't I? Hold on, how did I max maxed out strength and everything? I don't remember. Oh yeah, strength's maxed out already. I need to max out. Wait, skill's maxed out too. Wait, did I max everything out? I guess I did. Oh. I don't remember doing that, but okay. Where's this dig spot at? Can't believe we gotta go through a cave to help a grave robber. I think they did a little bit overkill with this dig spot. Like, they literally started the dig spot thing right at the beginning of the cave. Like, don't tell me I gotta go all the way to the end of the cave to this dig spot. I think I hear people. Is there people in here? I know Hobbs don't talk like that. I'm like, do I hear people or am I freaking out? Get moving there, Hunter, you freaking idiot. Oh, this is the Lady Grey quest. I remember this quest now. Yeah, this is the one where the guy's trying to bring Lady Grey back to life. It's freaking weird. Yeah, this is kind of a freaky quest. Oh look, he opens the door now.
It's her. It's really, really her. I might as well tell you the truth now. I'm not just advancing the cause of science, you see. I'm advancing the cause of love. This is Lady Grey. Well, a bit of her anyway. She lived a long time ago, an awful, barbaric time, and she was the mayor of Bowerstone. Some people, well, they didn't like her very much. Couldn't see what a wonderful person she really was. They called her a witch. And, well, they chopped her. But let's not waste time on such awful tales. The second part of her is hidden in a tomb between Bloodstone and Wraithmarsh. Please find it.
Great. So, to fill you guys in on this lovely little quest here. If you guys don't know, Lady Grey is actually in the first game, and hate to burst y'all bubbles for y'all that actually like Lady Grey, but she's kind of a bitch. If I remember correctly, she actually, I can't remember, she actually killed her sister and like buried her. No, she didn't kill her. Well, technically she did, but she put her sister in like this cellar and shit. I think she locked her in there and killed her, if I remember correctly. It's a quest you actually do in the game, and like you run into her, and she gives you like an ultimatum to where you either kill her or you marry her. Blah blah blah. It's a fucked up quest. Like, what the? Well, I saw something fly in front of my face. I'm like, what the hell? I thought, and then I saw Assassination Society. I'm like, oh no, it's a fucking assassin. Great. Yeah, I know. There's a bunch of these dumb fucks. Well, since I'm maxed out, I really don't have to worry about it. Oh, something up. Why would somebody... My thing is, if she's so important... Twinblade's tomb. Oh, Twinblade was in the first game too! Wow, look at him. If you guys don't remember Twinblade, I think Twinblade, is he the final boss? I can't remember. I know Twinblade was in the first game. Stop blocking me. Oh god, it's been so long since I played the first game. Find a way to unlock the door. I think there's a lever over here, isn't there? Oh, I can't go sideways. Can I stand on it? Oh no, it's... Go from slow motion to fast forward real quick there. What's in there? I don't think there's anything in there, is there? Doesn't look like it. It's like pointless ass room. Oh, do I gotta go in there to hit the button? Or like shoot the thing? Yeah. Jeez, crap. Out of here. God, this makes me want to play the first game again. Which I will be playing on the channel, so you guys all get to watch me play the first one. Which was my favorite. Ooh. place out. Wait, what's up there? What if you hit that button? What's up this way? I realize I'm kind of like going way off track here. Door's locked. I can't remember if that, when the statue does that, it's like, I did it right or not. I can't remember. I'll have to look that up on my off time. Like I said, it's been a while since I've actually played these games. Oh, do I gotta go up there to hit that? All the way over there. I really hope I don't. I think I do. And the problem is, I don't think my pistol's got enough range on it to actually hit it. Which is really gonna suck. So let's just see. Okay, thank God. I'm like, dude, there's no way I can hit that from that far. Oh, I can fall down. Oh, thank God. And I broke my legs. He's like, surprise, motherfucker. What is that? Is that a gun one? It is a gun one. Another gun one. Oh, I gotta. No, 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 no. Where'd he go? 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 I had to scratch my ear and I fucked up. I thought you had plenty of time. Ooh, what's down here? Hi! Trying to launch fire at me, you little bitch. What did that do? Oh, it opened the door, so I had to have done it anyways. So dumb. Who the fuck is talking? You better not be talking to me. I'll beat your little ass. I will beat the bitch off of you, boy. I see we got some treasure here, don't we? I'm gonna search this tomb. A silver key. 2 silver keys. Wait, what's here? Ah. Look at that. See, that's what you get for exploring everything, guys. I do need to heal, though. Is that it? All that for a potion? What else is left in here? Is there anything? Oh, we go right back out to Wraith Marsh. Okay. I don't know who's talking. Do you guys hear that too, or is that just me? There's no reason why. Like, there's no reason why there should just be random people freaking talking. Like, I'm like, dude, shut up. You're not even here. Who's talking here? The voices are getting in my head, man. I'm starting to lose my mind. Probably because it's like, 1, it's like 10 o'clock at night for me, and 2, it's like, it's weird though, because I actually took a nap today. On my day off. The fuck am I looking at? Y'all see that shit? I pop in, my fucking dude's looking up at the fucking sky like, what the fuck? I'm sitting here like, dude, what the fuck are you looking at? Here, you take her tits.
Oh, wonderful. Yes. My poor Lady Grey. What did they do to you? At least your parts ended up in cool, dry places. Oh, right, yes. Thank you so much. You're probably the closest thing I've ever had to a friend. Pathetic, isn't it? There's only one more part of her left to find, and it's in a vault somewhere in Fairfax Gardens. I'm sure you'll find the right tomb. I'd come with you, but, well, I try not to go out too much. I might run into people.
I gotta go all the way to Fairfax Gardens. Wait a minute, how I have not been to Fairfax Gardens is beyond me. Where is it? I was gonna say, it's only like 3 hours from here. If that. I don't know. This is one of those tedious fetch quests. I do like the throwback to the first game. That's pretty cool. If you guys don't know, the first game was always my favorite game of all time. Out of all 3 of these, the first one was my favorite. This one was okay. Third one was just trash. I can't stand the third one. And unfortunately, I'm going to have to play it for you guys on this channel because it's part of the 3. There's a tomb over here. Is it in here? Oh no, there's a dig spot. Right by this freaking... Where is it? Where's the... You really had to go around that freaking gravestone just to find the dig spot? Autograph card. Why the hell do I want 3 autograph cards? Who wants my autograph? Lady Grey's tomb. Oh, so we're actually going to rob her tomb. Which is weird to me because, like I said, who just tears apart a dead body and just hides it in 3 different places? Like, who does that? Yep. Oh, this is fantastic. This isn't made out of a freaking horror game. What the? Dude. She's a looker. Alright, let's get the... Needles coming out of the woodworks. Ah. See all off in the distance. Told you, it's scenes from a horror film. You're in the frickin' sands of time, and next thing you know, there's bugs and everything else. It's like House of Ashes. Which, if you guys haven't played any of the, oh, what are those games called? Like Until Dawn, Man of Medan, House of Ashes. Oh, what's the other one? That one just fell from the sky. I forget what those series are called. The anthology, Dark Pictures Anthology. That's what's called. You guys have never played the Dark Pictures Anthology? I definitely recommend it. I mean, Until Dawn was probably one of my favorite. So much better than... The only one I didn't like the most was Man of Medan. I did not like that one. I thought it was kind of disappointing. I forget what the other one was. The one about the Salem witch trials. But that was a good one too. I enjoyed that one a lot. If you guys want me to play that on the channel, you know, let me know down in the comments section. Because like I said, if you guys don't know, a lot of the series are going to start ending soon, and I need new games to play. So, like, for example, what we're going to play when I'm done with the South Park series, which that will be coming back. What am I going to play after Alpha Protocol's done? Because I only have... I'm already in the boss battle at Moscow, so... After that's done, all I have to do is go to Japan, and then that's it. And then the final boss area. Or like, what am I going to do once the... Well, the Fable series might last a little while, because I still got to do Fable 1 and Fable 3. Walking Dead will probably take a while, because I got to do Season 2, New Frontier, Final Season, you know, the whole 9 yards. Why does he keep looking at the air like that?
Oh, at last. I never thought this day would come, my sweet lady. You must think I'm some sort of pervert. A real creep. But, well, I've been in love with Lady Grey for so many years. Ever since I found a picture of her. She's been the one woman I could talk to. The one woman who wouldn't turn away from me in disgust. And now you're wondering how such an amazing creature could ever love someone like me. You see, this procedure, it's not just about reanimating dead tissue. It's also a love spell. I will be so happy. I'll take care of her forever, just like she deserves. Stand back. It's time. Well, you know, actually, it was me who...
I have been asleep so long, but now I am ready to live again and to love for the first time. You are so perfect.
Oh no! The love spell makes her fall in love with the first person she... You've got to go. Now!
I thought my heart had died long before I did, but it beats now for you.
Come on, you have to leave. Please. She and I are meant for each other. I know it.
There's something about your eyes. They're so beautiful, so captivating.
You can get any number of women to fall in love with you, but me, this is my one chance of happiness. Please go.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave.
Let's buy a house. Let's...
What happened? Do I have to, like... Do I just keep... what? Do I just keep going? Like... Do I get a quest completion, or what's going on? What, do we make talk with the demon door, or what the fuck? What the hell? Like, how do I know I completed the quest? Aye. Are we good? Can I go now?
I promised to take care of you.
Okay. I was gonna say, like, you gonna tell me if I completed the quest now? What's going on here? Oh. Ooh. I actually have enough to buy this. Believe it or not. It's only 100. Only 100,000. Is the cemetery mansion just buying the mansion? Is that all that is? Oh. That's actually another side quest. I did not know there's another side quest. Investigate the gravekeeper's cave in the cemetery. Oh. I guess we can do that in the next episode. Ah! Y'all are crazy if you think I'm gonna do more of this crap. I will save real quick. And that's all just fetching around and running around. Y'all think I'm crazy to think I'm still gonna play this crap anymore. I'm kidding, this game's actually not that bad. It's the third one that just makes me angry. Because how dumb it is. Ugh. Anyways, I'm gonna end it here. That's gonna be this episode of Fable 2. Please leave a like below. Please comment with your opinions. How'd you feel about me running around trying to rob graves? Yeah, this has been an interesting episode, to say the least. And subscribe for more, guys, as we are busting out videos for you guys the best we possibly can here on YouTube. And for that, we do thank you all for watching. And we encourage you all at home to please stay classy.